what people kept asking me for was, hey, do you just have like a swipe file that I can subscribe to or that you can share with me that just has like all these examples? And so because I became known for being like the swipe file guy, all the time people are like, hey, I'm coming with a, you know, reactivation email for my e-commerce store. Do you have any good examples that you've seen? I'm like, oh, geez, let me like go look through my swipe file. Oops, it's like impossible to find things because it's just like a Google Drive or it's a folder on my desktop, and or there's a label in my Gmail. So everything's in different places and it's really hard to search and filter. So when we started Swipewell, the thought was really just to have a single place for your swipe file. It has all the different components that you'd need across saving landing pages, ads, emails, screenshots, billboards, whatever you can basically pull a file, you can save it into your swipe file there. And then you can tag it and organize it in a way that you can actually find it. So you can actually use your swipe file later, because myself included, but a lot of people I talk to, they say, yeah, I have a swipe file, but I don't really use it or reference it because it's impossible to find anything useful based on what I'm looking for. So anyways, that kind of validated the idea for the software, which ended up helping us build Swipewell, which is going very well. And people, are actually we're seeing in the data, people are actually using the swipe file finally.